Whenever we speak about the current Honda Ridgeline unibody midsize pickup truck, it appears like it is not for positive factors. And for the most part, it is not even the tale's hero. For instance, we have actually just recently regretted exactly how Tesla's long-awaited Cybertruck full-size EV pickup truck has gone from an exoskeleton marvel to a larger unibody Honda Ridgeline opponent. Likewise, back in very early April, when the very first quarter sales were revealed for the US vehicle market, the Ford Maverick was again crowned as America's very popular compact unibody pickup. The pocket-sized rival of the Hyundai Santa Cruz accomplished 21,478 devices during Q1 of 2023, while the last cannot also go across the 10K threshold. Anyway, since it is additionally based upon a unibody chassis, the Honda Ridgeline was likewise inserted for reference, as the midsize pickup had virtually 13K shipments during the duration. It may seem alright prima facie, but remember that the Ridgeline fights with the D41 Nissan Frontier, Chevy Colorado and GMC Canyon, or the Ford Ranger. Oh, and as well as the present 2023 Tacoma record breaker, which schedules for substitute, quickly, yet still got on a lot better than its Honda competitor, with 53,182 devices marketed during the initial quarter. Well, it is only natural for Honda fans to believe that something needs to be done, and quickly, with the Ridgeline to ensure its survival. And while Honda freshened the troubling pickup truck for the 2021 design year with updates across the board, some people really feel that more is required. And a few people have also taken matters into their hands. Or, instead, at the pointer of their CGI brushes, as is the case with the imaginative realm of electronic car content creators. As an example, some pixel masters assume a second renovation is the best method to boost the hype. Others, as a matter of fact, could think that just extreme steps can make it. So, right here is Demas Ramadan, the digital automotive musician behind the Digimod's design network on YouTube, that has actually not just occupied the task of exposing a brand new generation of the Ridgeline truck in CGI, yet additionally made a decision the 2025 model year requires to be totally electrical to stand apart in the pickup group. Oddly, the style does not necessarily adopt any type of Honda beginning EV crossover cues and instead mixes EV styling with rugged truck details like beefy black plastic fender flares and substantial wheels shot in at tires, plus the rear still has fake exhaust outlets. That is a weird therapy, right?